up? It's the year of the Victory Garden and we are going full force, baby. I don't care if you're a beginner or you're advanced or whatever, we are doing it and we're doing it together. In this video, we're talking about 3 easy ways to plan and start your Victory Garden. If you haven't watched the Beginner's Guide to Doing Your Victory Garden, go there first. It's gonna have information that's gonna help you. But first off, let's get started. Decide what you want to grow, okay? For me, and what for you too is going to work is write a wish list. We make wish lists for our babies. We make wish lists for our homes. We're making a wish list for our garden, okay? And so you write down that wish list of just fruits and veggies that you like. From that wish list, you're going to see if there's any you're going to Google easiest crops to grow and see what in that list is on your list, and you're going to buy those seeds. Or do not feel discouraged if you do not feel comfortable with seeds. There's nothing wrong with starting with transplants you get from Walmart, Home Depot, or your local nursery, anything like that. Those work, especially for beginners. A lot of seeds are discouraging if you're if you're starting as a beginner, so don't fear that. However, you can do seeds too, okay? We're going to do this together. So decide what you want to grow. The second thing you're going to do is you're going to Google your last frost date. Okay, so you're going to say last frost date for your zip code, and it'll show you a date. A lot of seeds need to go in after that. They can be directly sown outside after that. They do not like cold weather. They will suffer. Some seeds like spinach and lettuce can go before that because they don't really care about the cold weather. It doesn't affect them as much. A lot of seeds, you're going to have to start 6 weeks before that last frost date indoors. A lot of us already have the 6 week mark before that last frost date has passed. Do not feel discouraged. Don't be like, oh, I already missed it. No, girl. It just means you're good to go. The green light is there for you. So you're going to start your seeds indoors so that when your last frost date does come, you put them out, you're ready to go. Okay, let's go. It's going to be great. The third thing is you're going to create a plan and get started with what you can once you've got supplies. So this is just a really, really rudimentary basic thing. I literally it's backwards. I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry, you're not my kid. My bad. I've got 4. I might switch in from mom mode to your friend mode, and I'm sorry, it's mom brain. All right, so I just made a really, really ghetto March, April, May, June, July, August. So once you've made this ghetto thing, you're going to look at your seeds. On the back of them, it says, start seeds indoor in a sunny location 6 weeks prior to warm weather. So before your last frost date. And so that I'm going to say, hey, I'm starting seeds in March. That's now, so you can just start the seeds. You may not even have to put it in, but like after your last frost date, you'll write, plant seedlings. You're just making a plan. This is all this is. So you'll see some like squash is going to be after all danger of frost is passed in a sunny location. So it'll give you instructions. And so you're going to say, hey, when is it for me? It is going to be in May. So in May, I'm going to write down plant squash. This is ghetto, but this is just a plan. So you're getting organized. You're not getting overwhelmed. Okay. So everything that you can start today, but you're going to figure it out by making these little piles. So I have a pile for seeds that need to be sown indoors first. I have a pile for seeds that need to go after the last frost date. And like I said, okay. I'm going to clean that up in a second. My bad. And then you're making a pile for seeds that can go in before, like they can go outside before the last frost date because they don't care. Okay. So you're going to make those 3 piles. And once you have all your seeds in their category, then you're going to write down what it is. Okay. Because that's going to be easier. So starting seeds, I'm going to plant squash in May, it just makes it an easy guide. And also once you get this guide going, at that point, you can put in your calendar like a notification saying, hey, start your seeds, or hey, sow outdoors, you know what I mean? So you don't miss it. And it's really easy. It takes the threat of overwhelm away, and you can do this, girl. I know this is kind of all over the place, so please forgive me. I'm really excited though, because we are going to do it, and we're going to do it together. The world is looking kind of crazy, but we are not. We're acting wisely, and I'm excited, girl. Let's do this!